Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. Honestly, I was not planning on vlogging today. I was sleeping at home, and then my cousin over here needed help with the vet with some tools, so we out here just trying to fix this stuff up. I'll probably make a good cinematic about it, but we'll see what happens today. Got you, mate. Came over here to come get some wood because the vet might be too low now, so this is just in case we can't get the jack out. As big as my cock, dude. Come on, buddy. What the hell?
This thing right here.
Wait.
So this screw right here could lower the whole car right here. But the thing is, the stock ones have a lot of the rubber, a lot of extra rubber down here, and the aftermarket ones have one rubber. This one has like 4 rubbers.
Oh, it's like a lot of work.
It's not.
Alright guys, so we're gonna try something out new today. We're gonna try to do this limbo challenge real quick, but we're gonna be using the garage.
So we're about to measure this. Let's see how tall it is. Look, make sure they're seeing it's on the ground.
Yeah.
4.5 feet, right about.
Alright guys, you about to do a limbo challenge right quick at 4.5 feet. We're gonna see if it passes through, because if not, if it doesn't pass through, then we're doing something wrong. Good. You're good. Dude, I thought it was like, I thought you measured it to like the car and shit, but test 1, good. Alright guys, so we're gonna do run number 2. We're gonna see where we're at. I think we're at what? Where we at? 4 feet?
Let's go lower. Oh shit!
Oh shit! What are you trying to do? Just let you guys know. 4 feet, right? And yeah, it is
we're gonna
touching
take
the
off the roof. Let's go take it off.
We're gonna take off this roof right now. We're gonna see what happens. Wait, hold up. I'm gonna hop in this just to be sure that I can, just to make sure that this thing passes, right?
Dude, this is
Is it gonna?
Damn! Wait up, be careful. Oh shit!
Is it gonna hit?
Is it gonna hit? Is it gonna hit?
No, bro. Fucking 4 feet, bro.
4 feet. Ready for the limo competition. Lowered as fuck. So, I feel more confident because we lowered it.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna just hop in it this time. I'm gonna just hop in it right now. We lowered it about 1 inch to 2 inches. How many inches was it? Like 2-3 inches? 2-3 inches? And we're gonna see if it passes this test. This is run number 3. We'll see what happens. Eee.
Wait, there's a lot of space still. Oh, it's the
back, bro.
Oh shit.
Eee.
Oh wait, let's reverse a bit. How much space is in there?
Maybe like 1 inch more, maybe?
1 inch more?
Yeah.
Let's lower it more. Let's see, does it pass it? Oh no! No. Push it back up. Nope, didn't pass.
Alright guys, so we just finished up. We just did the limbo challenge for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. It was just about lowering the car to see how low we could get it from a stock to, I guess, a still stock, more modified car. But until next time, if you guys like what you guys saw today, give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe. See you guys on the next one.